hear me I say, I love you in a babes. But you see right now to your sister move and I check my life. You can't take no check from her, you know.
Please, Robert, remember I told you to leave this to me? I will deal with it.
You can deal with this. You think a KFC meal deal we are talking about? Right now the woman here check my life. All I call man informer.
Me understand say you're upset, but you have to trust me.
Yeah. Remember me have my daughter to live for. And me not run no joke with my 3 points.
Robert, remember say me and you in this, you know. Anything when me and you do, it have to be calculated. Just give me some time.
Well, alright then. I'll give you a little time, you know. But me nah go wait too long. Yeah. Things are working. Right now, a be a distraction. Do that, Mr. Class.
Hit me a car.
It's me, car. Wait, how this? Security, the surety. What's going on?
There, man. I pray now. How long me no come boy cause.
So, brother, how are you there?
Brother, I'm 4 me there. I way down in the bush man them post me in a bad man.
So, town no look good for you.
Brother, I in a country things them a go on. And them have to send for wicked soldier them boy.
So what you say? A country crime a go on?
Brother, I in a country crime a go on. Me say it is a want see what go on what here my friend. Bad man, me say I bank them post me and me face you know. See when me look. The two boy me see I tough up them face and I come up. Me I say, wait, I watch them you know. Vicious, watch them. Me say hit me cause you don't even know. Me say I me watch you boy them. When me look, I pop me see boy pop off me a fear. Brother, me a fear pop off and yo, me say hit me cause you don't even know charge. Me say me a fear. Brother, when me look at me, pop. I said, brother, I have to lift up. We want to post and station. Fuck off, we want to get the station now. Hit me, because you don't even know. I say, you want to debug, charge it. I say, me have to, yo.
Brother, so tell me something. You're an athlete. You think a champs don't care. You go just a run. So you don't knock nothing.
Brother, you know, listen good, brother. Let me show you. I tell you, say, me knock me thing. I saw me go to run. I say, no charge. I mean, knock. Me thing, you don't charge. I come back. I say, no charge. I mean, knock. I just knock again, you know, it make me even know too much, me knock. Me say people must feel wonder what go on around this if a Chinese Christmas a go on. Don't feel like a joke, you know, up.
Sorry man, brother. You know, say look like me not in the area good. You see it? So all of them knockings there, me not hear nothing on news.
Brother, you see when the news people then come, me say, oh, place clear charge it. You know they ain't go on already. They must come with everything done. They not come with the knockings a go on, man.
So not even to phone camera and pick up nothing.
Phone? How we down in a bush that, brother? Them people they didn't even have foot camera. They didn't even have none of them things they make up.
Brother, about a couple days ago, no phone reach on the side.
Brother, I want to tell you say me had done up down there so. Me say people they want to send me go 3 different places, but guess what? I me one. No other man like me no charge it.
Boy, your name vicious for a reason. You see me? Because country boy, them a coward for chewing a youth, and that's why them have to send for you, you know.